I've always been curious about indoor cycling, but I'm going to be upfront, I'm not a regular spinner. I'm only just getting into it, and because of that, I could never justify spending the Peloton money right from the start, and that's why this bike has caught my attention. And now that I've been trying it out, I can honestly say it's a great Peloton alternative if you're new like me, or you just want something affordable without losing that studio style experience. So this is the YESOUL G1 Plus, and what makes it stand out immediately is that the screen on this bike is completely open. You're not locked into any single app or subscription. You can cast anything to it from YouTube rides, scenic routes, free workout videos, and even Peloton classes if you want, and that's exactly what I've tried. Now, since I've never really done any proper spinning workouts before, I wanted to see what the Peloton experience was like, but without paying for a subscription. Now, Peloton actually offers a selection of free classes that anyone can access, and the good news is that the YESOUL bike can cast them straight onto the display. So I grabbed one of the free Peloton sessions, hit cast, selected the YESOUL screen, and it just works. It's full screen, clear video, and you get the whole instructor-led experience without paying a single penny. But of course, if you want to sign up to the paid subscription, you still can. Now, it's a 21.5-inch Full HD screen, so it's plenty big enough and everything is nice and clear. And also, because the screen isn't locked down, I can switch over to YouTube at any time I want and cast whatever I want to watch, so things like beginner spin classes, 20-minute fat burn sessions, virtual rides in different cities. It's as simple as tapping cast on your phone and away you go. Now, that freedom is a huge difference from the Peloton's closed ecosystem, and I found sometimes I would just want to exercise while watching TV. The screen also rotates, which is really useful if you're doing off-bike workouts. You can spin it sideways, step off the bike, and follow along with anything like stretching or strength training. Peloton actually only offers this on their much more expensive Bike+, so getting it here at this price point is another massive win. Now, speaking of price, Peloton hardware is of course definitely very premium, but it also comes with that huge premium price tag. If you're just starting out like me, or even if you just want something realistic for home use, the YESOUL G1 Plus gives you the same immersive feeling without the huge upfront costs, and of course it doesn't force you into a monthly subscription. The bike itself is also solid, the frame is stable, the seat and handlebars adjust nice and smoothly, and resistance is magnetic so it feels really smooth and stays super quiet. The Tesla grade belt system at just 30 decibels ensures everything stays quiet, and I can ride it early in the morning or late at night and not disturb anyone around me, which is great for a beginner like me. I don't need a complicated setup or loud flywheel buzzing away.
Legs, they're all part of this process. Get ready to loosen up, maybe even smile a little, and just relax.
It's a 100-step adjustable magnetic resistor, so you can easily adapt it to your personal goals. And as I said, no matter how intense the workout, it still remains nice and quiet. The CNC flywheel is precision machined for balance and power, delivering up to 900 watts of peak output. It's great for sprints, climbs, and every challenge in between. Now, YESOUL also has its own app if you want guided classes and a more structured approach, but again, it's completely optional and it's not required. You can use the bike completely free by casting whatever you want to the display. Now, during workouts, you also get your metrics like cadence, speed, and calories, and you can track your progress over time. Now, as someone who's new to spinning, seeing improvements day by day makes a big difference in helping me stay motivated. Now, moving it also isn't an issue thanks to the transport wheels. You just pick it up from the back and roll it wherever you need it to go. And it's also built for users of any heights, and with just a few simple adjustments, you can find your ideal position for a great ride. And we've also got a water bottle holder under the handlebars. The vented seat has this ergonomic design with breathable materials, so you can focus on your ride and not your discomfort. They also offer an additional seat cushion you can get that perfectly fits on and provides even more comfort. Overall, if you're curious about spinning like I was, or you just want that Peloton-style experience without paying the Peloton-style prices, the YESOUL G1 Plus is a great place to start. You get the big screen, you get the casting flexibility, you get the rotating display. It's also a fifth of the Peloton price, coming in at $499 compared to Peloton's $1.5 to $2.5 thousand, and there's no mandatory monthly price tag either, and of course you can use whatever you want on the screen. It's affordable, smooth, quiet, and it gives you the freedom to use any platform you want to use, including Peloton's free classes, and it just makes it a much more versatile solution. Now, of course, I've placed a link down in the description below, so you can go ahead and check it out now. and you can use the code TTTechnology to get an extra £100 or $100 off. So hopefully I've covered everything in today's video, but if there's anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just ask them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching and enjoy the ride.